Hi, I'm Chrissy with Jeep Cables, and we are here at Easter Jeep Safari, and we are featuring our Big 7 kits. So we do vehicle-specific battery cable replacement kits, and we use premium quality wire, we use USA sourced components, and we build these kits ourselves in Vancouver, Washington. And basically we brought kind of a few of our kits to showcase what we can do, but we have a lot of kits available on our website also. We do kits for Jeeps and Toyota, and also we started doing Dodge Cummins and Ford Power Strokes and some of the older Ford OBS Bronco stuff. Basically, we try to make replacing your battery cables an easy job. So we have different gauge wires. We start out with our 4 gauge, which is a stock size replacement, just to get your vehicle back running smoothly again. And then we do a 2 gauge wire, which is an upgrade if you're running some accessories and lights, etc. And then we also do a 1/0 size for your Jeep, which if you're upgrading your alternator and you're running a lot of accessories and pulling a lot of power, then a 1/0 is very helpful. We label all of the ends to help make the job really easy. You basically just follow the labeled end to the cable in your vehicle and you end up pulling it off and replacing. All of our lugs are sized to the size of the bolts inside your vehicle already, so everything's the correct length. And a lot of times people ask, well, why do I need to replace my battery cables? And there's 2 different reasons why you would want to replace your battery cables. Either your vehicle is older and you've started to get some corrosion, which maybe you don't see the corrosion, but you will notice it with maybe a slow start, dimmer lights, your windshield doesn't go up as quickly as it used to. And replacing the battery cables kind of refreshes your electrical system and gets your equipment running like it should. Another reason you'd want to upgrade your battery cables is the amperage you're drawing. So if you have a lot of accessories, you're upgrading your alternator, you need to run more power through your cables, you want to get the bigger cables so that you're getting all of that electricity flowing and making your equipment work properly. And then in the case of like the Dodge kits, the trucks go through a lot of miles and a lot of usage, and so they are burning through battery cables and they need to replace the cables. Sometimes your batteries are overcharging because the power isn't running correctly through your system, and so you'll want to replace the cables to get your equipment running properly and not causing damage like blowing up your second battery. And we started adding fun color wraps to the kits too. So here's just a couple of the colors we have available, but it adds a little protection to the wires, but it also adds just some fun colors. And like in this one, we did the 2 different colors, black and red and black and blue, positive and negative colors. So if you'd like to check out what we offer and get some more information about us, go ahead and just check out our website, jeepcables.com.